What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Lady Unique, or you can call me Boss Lady. Today's video, we're going to talk about 3 lazy side hustles that you can start today to start making money.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
I really try to stress AI to y'all because I don't think that y'all really fully understand how much AI is changing the game. I talk about Chat GPT a lot, but I also did a video about nvideo.ai, which is another AI software. But y'all, there is so much money in AI right now. Did you know that AI can literally build you a store? With this AI generated store, they do all the work for you. Where was y'all 5 years ago? Baby, when I tell you that AI is the game, and a lot of people are afraid of AI, but y'all, AI is going to be taking over. It's a game changer. It literally allows you to choose your niche, and then from there, it builds out the store for you. Y'all, it's so easy these days to make money. And I don't know how y'all still be over there working paycheck to paycheck. It's money to be made out here. Let's get into it, okay? Did I mention that with drop shipping, you don't have to ship orders? With this build your store, literally all you're doing is running the store.
They got the products for you and they're shipping it for you. You don't have to do anything but run your store.
So I'm going to tell you some businesses that I believe are trending. In my personal opinion, you don't have to make this your store. Now, my job was to give you the store, to give you the info to go ahead and make your store. But this is just a little extra, a little seasoning. Furniture. People are always moving and always buying furniture. Furniture is a good business. Furniture businesses are trending. People are always moving, always redecorating. Look at that beauty. Now I caught that bad boy on sale for it was $150 when I got it, and I think right now it's even more on sale for $129, but that shipping might be a little pretty penny. I don't know. Don't quote me on it. But it's in my TikTok shop showcase. Sure, is a good business. Something else that's always people are always going to buy, fashion. No matter how this economy is, people are always going to be shopping for clothes. No matter what. We ain't gonna be outside naked, is we? Oh, fashion. Number 3, something that people really don't think about. Pet products. People love pets and they love going crazy for pets. If you don't believe me, search TikTok and search pet doghouse or anything pets. You'll see how much money people spend on their pets. So those are the 3 that I would choose. If you don't want to choose home or garden, go with electronics. So home and garden / electronics to me run hand in hand. And honestly, those are my 2 top trending items for affiliate marketing. Anytime I promote anything from home and garden or electronics, they go viral and I make a bag. Don't be scared of AI. Utilize it to your advantage. Chat, like I told you, Chat GPT is my best friend. I use Chat GPT for everything, including video ideas. I was like having a whole brain fart today. I couldn't figure out what to record. Guess what I did? Ask Chat GPT. But see, I trained my Chat GPT already. I keep saying Chat GPT. Y'all know what I mean. So I already trained. We've been working together for consistently now for 2 years. So it knows me. And I was like, hey Chat. Well, my chat have a name. But I said, hey, I want to record a video today. A YouTube video today, and I'm having a brain fart. This is literally what I said, and I'm about to include a screen recording so y'all can see. I don't tell no lies. I said I'm having a brain fart today. Can you tell me some ideas? Now he did. ChatGPT give me some ideas, and I came up here and went on a whole tangent. I didn't even do what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to be sitting here telling y'all the do's and don'ts of business, and then I realized that my audience are not business owners. So how am I going to tell y'all the do's and don'ts of business if y'all not already in business? So I just came up here left field and recorded a side hustle. So that being said, use your AI, girl. It's money to be made out here, and AI is going to teach you and show you the way, girl. Now, as y'all already know, I'm going to plug in my links. If you're not already a part of the RBA family, make sure you go ahead and click on the third link in my beacons. RBA is Royal Business Academy, or MRR/PRR course, where you can resell it, or you can take the information in the course and start your own business. The first two links are Canva Masterclass and TikTok Masterclass. My TikTok Masterclass is for people that want to start making money with TikTok, that want to do it faceless. I know that a lot of people are afraid of the camera. Why y'all scared of the camera, girl? My Canva Masterclass will teach you all things Canva. Canva is the #1 tool for everything. Everything, because everything that you're going to do in your AI tools that I was telling y'all about, you're going to use it in sync with your Canva. Canva is the #1 tool for everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. To build your logos, to build your covers for your ebooks. You can use Canva for everything. T-shirt printing, if you want to make shirts, everything. And you don't have to just use it for business related things. When I tell you that I love Canva, between ChatGPT and Canva, it makes me a bag every single month. I love Canva and I love ChatGPT. Canva Masterclass is going to show you exactly how to use Canva, because there's so much in Canva. I want y'all to start communicating with me in the comments. I noticed that my videos are starting to get views. However, nobody is interacting with the videos, so I'm asking y'all to leave comments. Tell me what you want to see. I'm not saying that I'm an expert. I just know that I am skilled at what I've done. I've been an entrepreneur for over 15 years. If you don't know, I started my very first business in 2008. I used to do hair, and then I started doing taxes. I did that for a good few years. Shit, I every now and again, very seldomly, I'll jump out there and do some taxes, but that's not. I don't fuck around with the IRS like that no more. That was back when I used to, get the people to hook up. And then when I started the lab, which was Lady Unique Collection 5 years ago, I've been an entrepreneur consistently for the last 5 years. And I've learned so much in the 5 years. So I'm not saying that I'm an expert, but I am saying that I know what to do, what not to do, and the whole 9 yards. I'm just saying that to say, if y'all have any questions about anything, entrepreneurship, travel, lifestyle, anything, I got you. Y'all don't know, I'm also the travel queen. They used to call me Gypsy. I've lived in, where I lived at, how many states I lived in? I lived in 5 states and over 8 cities. But I've been to 26 states and over 50 cities. Something like that. So when it comes to travel, I got you. If you have any questions about travel, what cities to go to, what cities not to go to, anything. I did have a travel ebook out that I took off the market because I feel like when it comes to travel, everything is by experience. The things in my ebook was very generic and I just didn't like it, so I took it off the market. But I do want to do something with when it comes to travel, or maybe I'll just vlog it. I don't know. But if y'all have any questions about anything, ask me. Don't be just over here looking, bitch. Ask me. And it's okay to comment. Even if you don't like something that I said, comment. I'm learning not to be a hothead, so I'm not going to jump at you if you say something that I don't like. That used to be me. The new me ain't doing that. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, check out my beacons because there's something there for you. Oh, I did get a question. Someone asked me, why did I take my ebooks off the market? I am rebranding my ebooks because I want my colors to be in sync. I started another business, which I haven't announced yet. I started another business and I want my colors to be in sync. So I took those 2 ebooks off because I'm working on new covers for them. And I'm going to release those 2 with my new business. So y'all got to stay tuned for that. But anyway, that's it for this video. Again, I am Lady Unique, or you can call me Boss Lady. And hit that subscribe button, ho.
A few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.